Hi everybody, great to see you here today. My name is Marla Meridith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are cooking up a delicious fresh tomato sauce over spaghetti. You can have this on the table in seriously like 25 minutes. It's absolutely delicious. I wanna know if any of you guys out there garden. I have a black thumb. My gardening skills are absolutely nothing. However, I do love a farm fresh tomato. I know a lot of you grow your own produce, which is super awesome, and tomatoes are in abundance this time of the year. And they're great in fresh salads, but they're also so good in the simplest pasta sauce. I want you guys to check out this beautiful homegrown tomatoes. My boyfriend's mom sent this back to Telluride with him. She lives in Oklahoma, and we're simply gonna chop some tomatoes and then we're gonna grate the others. That pulp adds so much to this sauce. A little bit of lemon juice, fresh garlic, fresh basil, salt and pepper, and you will fall in love and probably never wanna use a jarred sauce again. If you're already a subscriber here, welcome back. If not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap on that little bell in the right-hand corner to make sure that you don't miss any videos. While I'm prepping the tomatoes, you can go ahead and cook your pasta.
All for you. Freedom.
Keep your ear to the ground.
Talking about the freedom.
It's the best show in town.
Best show in town. Freedom. Well. Freedom.
I'll give you freedom. Yes, it's right.
Freedom.
Start right now.
Freedom.
Get your freedom tonight.
Freedom. Well.
Okay, our beautiful bowl of spaghetti with fresh tomato sauce is ready. I'm gonna go ahead, dive in, and I look forward to seeing y'all back here next time.
Time to rise back from the sand and claim our freedom. Talking about the freedom.